Alright guys, here's an easy way to see if your deck is actually bent. You may need to release this brake right here from the spindles so you can make them easier to turn. Spin that blade around. What you want to do is line up those blades right here side by side. Line up that cutting edge. Maybe rotate that blade around. Line up that cutting edge. See how these are uneven? Now, some of you may be saying, well, the blades might be bent, and you're correct. So what you want to do is take those old blades off and put on a set of new blades. You can see right here the same part number. Put on a new set of blades. And yes, these John Deere blades are not painted. New set of blades on there, still not lining up. That means this deck is bent. Like and subscribe to the channel.